The oceans have always been arenas of power projection, and submarines are the ultimate masters of that hidden battlefield. Among them, the Virginia-class submarines represent the cutting edge of U.S. naval warfare, a lethal blend of stealth, advanced weaponry, and technological brilliance. These underwater juggernauts, decades in the making, are not just products of military engineering, but symbols of America's commitment to undersea dominance. With new blocks, constant upgrades, and mission flexibility, the Virginia-class has quietly become the cornerstone of the U.S. Navy's undersea fleet. But what makes these submarines so formidable? Let's dive deep into their origins, design, and game-changing enhancements. The Cold War roots of the Virginia-class. The Virginia-class submarine was conceived during the twilight of the Cold War, a time when the United States needed a versatile yet cost-effective attack submarine. Its predecessor, the Seawolf class, was a technological marvel but came with an astronomical price tag, nearly $2.8 billion per unit. While the Seawolf offered unmatched capabilities, building a large fleet at that cost was impractical. Enter the Virginia program. Designed as a cheaper but still lethal alternative, the Virginia-class was the Navy's answer to balancing budget realities with strategic demands. General Dynamics, Electric Boat, and Huntington Ingalls Industries were tasked with creating a submarine that would blend cutting-edge warfare systems with affordable production methods. By using commercial off-the-shelf technologies, incorporating 3D visualization tools, and adopting modular construction techniques, the program delivered a platform that was easier to build, maintain, and upgrade without sacrificing combat effectiveness. The very first of the class, USS Virginia SSN 774, was laid down in 1999 and launched in 2003. This marked the dawn of a new era in submarine warfare, with a production strategy built around multi-year block contracts to keep costs down and production steady. Dimensions, design, and stealth engineering. At 377 feet long with a 34-foot beam and displacing around 7,800 tons, the Virginia-class is slightly smaller than the Seawolf, but size isn't everything. What the Virginia lacks in bulk, it more than makes up for in stealth, versatility, and modular adaptability. One of its standout features is modular construction. Different sections of the submarine are built separately and later assembled, dramatically increasing efficiency. This approach also allows for easier future upgrades, a necessity in the fast-evolving world of undersea warfare. The Virginia's coatings and hull design further reduce acoustic signatures, making it one of the quietest submarines ever built. Quietness is survival in submarine warfare. The less detectable a submarine, the more lethal it becomes. Another revolutionary change was abandoning traditional optical periscopes. Instead, the Virginias employ photonic masts, non-penetrating telescopic systems equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imagers, and laser rangefinders. These feed data to the command center without creating a physical hole in the hull, preserving both stealth and structural integrity. Command, control, and high-tech operations. The heart of the Virginia's brainpower lies in its command and control suite, developed by Lockheed Martin. Built on an open system architecture, the suite integrates sensors, navigation, and weapons systems seamlessly. This design ensures that as technology advances, upgrades can be made with relative ease. No complete overhauls required. Inside, the traditional wheel and gauges are gone. The submarines instead boast touchscreen displays and joystick controls, a futuristic cockpit that enhances precision and maneuverability. Power, a reactor that never needs refueling. The Virginia-class is powered by the S9G nuclear reactor, designed by General Electric. Unlike older nuclear submarines that require mid-life refueling, the S9G is built to last for the entire operational lifespan of the submarine, over 30 years without refueling. This innovation means reduced downtime, lower costs, and maximum availability. The reactor drives 2 turbines connected to a pump jet propulsor, replacing the traditional propeller. This not only improves propulsion efficiency, but more importantly, reduces noise, making the Virginia one of the stealthiest submarines in existence. Capable of speeds exceeding 25 knots submerged and diving beyond 800 feet, the Virginia combines speed, stealth, and endurance to patrol any ocean environment. Weapons, a predator's arsenal. The Virginia class is not just about hiding, it's about striking hard and fast. Its armaments make it one of the deadliest platforms in naval service. Tomahawk cruise missiles. Each Virginia carries 12 vertical launch system (VLS) tubes, enabling it to unleash a salvo of 12 Tomahawk missiles against land targets with pinpoint accuracy. Torpedoes. The submarine is fitted with 4 533mm torpedo tubes, capable of firing Mark 48 ADCAP torpedoes. Lethal against both surface ships and enemy submarines, mines, and anti-ship missiles. It can also deploy Mark 60 captor mines and launch sub-harpoon missiles against surface combatants. This flexibility allows the Virginia class to wage war both in the deep ocean and in shallow littoral waters, giving it unmatched versatility. Special Operations Support. Beyond conventional warfare, the Virginia class plays a vital role in special operations. Equipped with an integral lockout chamber, it can deploy Navy SEALs for covert missions. The chamber can also host mini-submarines like the Advanced SEAL Delivery System, allowing stealthy infiltration into enemy coastlines. This makes the Virginia not just a war machine, but also an invaluable tool for clandestine operations in hostile environments, sonar and detection systems. A submarine's survival depends on its ability to detect threats before being detected, and the Virginia class excels with one of the most advanced sonar suites in existence. It combines bow-mounted active and passive arrays, high-frequency sonar positioned on the keel and fin, and the powerful TB-29A towed arrays, giving it unmatched situational awareness and the ability to track targets at great distances. To enhance survivability, Northrop Grumman's acoustic countermeasures deploy decoys that mislead enemy sonar, while Lockheed Martin's electronic support measures add another layer of defense by providing full-spectrum radar analysis, automatic threat alerts, and real-time situational assessments, transforming the Virginia into not just a hunter, but a floating intelligence hub. The evolution. The Virginia-class submarine is not a fixed design, but a continuously evolving platform, with each block upgrade introducing new capabilities to keep pace with modern warfare. The first 3 blocks laid the foundation, serving as the fleet's backbone, while Block 4 brought cost-saving measures and improved operational availability, though only a few are currently active. The true leap forward comes with Block V, which incorporates the Virginia Payload Module and 84-foot hull extension that significantly boosts firepower. This addition allows the submarine to carry 28 more Tomahawk missiles, increasing its total capacity to 40, and elevating it from a traditional hunter-killer to a formidable strategic strike platform. Beyond firepower, the VPM is designed with adaptability in mind, enabling future roles such as seabed warfare or even deployment of hypersonic weapons, ensuring the Virginia class remains at the forefront of undersea dominance. Production challenges and modernization. While the Virginia program has been a major success, it has not been without challenges. Production has fallen behind schedule by more than 3 years, with experts estimating delays of around 41 months, a setback the Navy aims to recover from by 2028, amid rising global tensions. To ensure the fleet remains effective, a series of modernization initiatives have been launched. These include a $1.9 million contract awarded to General Dynamics subsidiary Progeny Systems to upgrade weapon launch systems, a $2.7 million contract to Goodrich for next-generation nuclear-powered propulsors, shifting away from the longtime supplier BAE Systems, and nearly $1 billion to General Dynamics Electric Boat for spare parts and fleet support. Additionally, L3 Technologies is supplying new towed array motors to boost sonar performance. Together, these investments guarantee that earlier Virginia-class submarines stay competitive, even as newer and more advanced blocks continue entering service. Recent milestones. The Virginia program continues to progress despite challenges. HEI recently completed sea trials for USS New Jersey, while the future USS Idaho has already been christened. These steps mark the continuous expansion of America's stealth fleet beneath the seas. Why the Virginia class matters. In an era of renewed great power competition, undersea dominance is more vital than ever. Submarines remain the most survivable leg of naval power projection, able to operate unseen, strike unexpectedly, and gather critical intelligence. The Virginia class, with its unmatched blend of stealth, firepower, and adaptability, gives the United States a decisive edge. Its evolution through block upgrades, especially with the Virginia Payload Module, ensures it will remain relevant against emerging threats like China's expanding navy and Russia's modernized undersea forces. That's all for today's deep dive into the Virginia-class submarines. What do you think about these silent underwater predators? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more military tech insights.